The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) estimates 80% of flu cases spread through contaminated hands. But there's good news. Changing just one habit can reduce your spreading risk by 90%. Learn how to stop the flu in its tracks by practicing proper coughing and sneezing etiquette. In this video, we'll share essential tips and tricks to prevent the spread of flu germs and keep you and your loved ones healthy during the flu season. Coughing and sneezing, we all do it, but have you ever stopped to think about how you're doing it? Are you one of those people who coughs or sneezes right into the air, potentially spreading germs to everyone around you? Or do you take the time to cover your mouth and nose, protecting those around you from getting sick? Improper coughing and sneezing can lead to the rapid spread of the flu virus. When you cough or sneeze without covering your mouth, you release a cloud of droplets into the air that can contain millions of viruses. These droplets can land on surfaces, where the virus can survive for hours or even days. If someone else touches that surface and then touches their face, they can easily become infected. The consequences can be severe, not just for the person who gets sick, but also for public health as a whole. The flu can spread quickly through a community, causing widespread illness and even death. This is especially concerning for people who are more vulnerable to the flu, such as the elderly, young children, and people with weakened immune systems. The good news is that by taking a few simple steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of spreading the flu virus. By using proper techniques, you can protect not only yourself, but also those around you. So, what are these proper techniques? One of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of the flu is to use a tissue when you cough or sneeze. This seems obvious, but it's surprising how many people don't do it. If you don't have a tissue handy, you can also use your elbow to cover your mouth and nose. The key is to make sure that you're covering your mouth and nose completely so that the droplets don't escape. Using your elbow or a tissue can help to contain the virus, preventing it from spreading to others. And remember to wash your hands frequently, especially after coughing or sneezing, to prevent the spread of germs. Let's see this in action. Imagine you're at work or school and you feel a sneeze coming on. You reach for a tissue, and just as you sneeze, you cover your mouth and nose. The sneeze is contained and the droplets don't escape into the air. Or you're in a meeting and you need to cough. You use your elbow to cover your mouth and nose, protecting those around you from getting sick. These simple actions can make a big difference in preventing the spread of the flu. In conclusion, proper coughing and sneezing techniques are crucial in stopping the flu in its tracks. By using tissues or your elbow and washing your hands frequently, you can significantly reduce the risk of spreading the flu virus. Make it a habit to cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze, and encourage those around you to do the same. We'd love to hear from you. Have you ever had an experience with flu prevention that you'd like to share? Maybe you've got a favorite tip for staying healthy during flu season. Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more health tips, be sure to check out our other videos.